Hello beautifuls, welcome to this channel where I'll show you how to make 5 strands bandika from scratch. Watch closely and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if this is very helpful for you. So here is how we start our 5 strands bandika. Just simple and slow. Just make sure you use the right strand at the right time. The purpose of these 5 strands bandika is to make sure that they are aligned and seamless. This bandika will come out very beautiful and you can tell at what point you added your strand. That is the main agenda. So look at here, I've already separated my 4 strands into now 5 strands. At first I started with 4 strands, then as I go on, I'll separate my 4 strands into 5 strands and start braiding all the way through. You'll also notice that as I move on, I keep on increasing the size of the hair to add. At first, I started with a very thin hair, but right now I've increased the size. So the bandika keeps on increasing and just becoming large as we go on braiding. Watch closely, this is very helpful. From this video, you'll get to know how to braid your 5 strands bandika at ease. Yes, it's very informative, and in case of anything, just comment down below, or if you want me to improve on anything, just share down below the comment section. Another point to note is to always roll your fingers after you've added another strand of hair. Look at this point. I am adding 1 strand of hair. Look how I'll roll that, then braid, then this side also I'll roll and braid. Don't just add and continue braiding. Instead, roll to tuck the hair in so that the bandika can be seamless. No one will notice that you've added another strand of hair on your bandika. Just see as I braid. Right here I was done adding the strands of hair, so I'll just go on and braid to the end. Just use the same method of rolling your fingers and just tucking the hair. So I'll braid to the end. Now this is the end of me adding strands of hair, so we'll go on to the next bandika. So if you've not understood how to start and how to add strands of hair, just watch this next part. First step is to divide our 2 strands of hair into 4. So just divide the hair into 4 and braid while it's in four parts or 4 pieces. You'll go on and braid twice or thrice, depending on how you want your bandika to be sharp on the front. So just braid like twice. Myself, I do it twice, then go on and separate the last strand into two so that I can make them 5 and continue adding my strands from there. done with our exercise. I braided this number 30 on top, and this is just a mixture. It looks like gray, not gray and white also, but you can find it in any hair outlet. Yeah, it's a very good blend for bandika and mainly braids if you want to braids. Yeah, this combination, I love it. I didn't know it will turn this way. It's just my client who recommended these colors, and I think she made the right choice. Look at them, they look so good. But guys, at least the least you can do is subscribe. Bye guys.